Warning, you may laugh while reading this. What not to do if you and your boss run across a genie in his lamp. An insurance agency owner, a personal lines insurance specialist, and their office manager are walking to lunch when they find an antique oil lamp. They rub the dust off, and poof, a genie comes out in a puff of smoke. The genie says, "I only grant 3 wishes, so I'll give each of you 1. Me first as a personal lines insurance agent. I wish to be in the Bahamas, driving a speedboat, without a care in the world. Poof, she's gone. In astonishment, the agency manager says, me next. I wish to be in Hawaii, relaxing on the beach with my boyfriend and personal masseuse, an endless supply of pina coladas. Poof, she's gone. Okay, you're up, the genie says to the agency owner. The owner says, I want those 2 back in the office after lunch. I thought this was a funny story to introduce another not so funny topic. We've all secretly wondered what we'd do if we had 3 wishes from a genie. Unlimited wishes is always against rules, it seems. But what would you wish for with your 3 wishes? I know for me, much like the characters in our story, I want a life full of money, security, and enjoyment. I wish for total financial security. I love the beach and the water, which is where you might find me if I win the big lottery or find the lamp, but even more important to me is my family's financial security. I'm amazed at the sacrifices people make to pay the bills. Sacrifices of time, health, hobbies, time with the family, all to ensure a secure financial future for the family. So why do we get up every day and go to work instead of hanging out at home watching cartoons and Judge Judy rerun? Silly question, right? We have to bring home the bacon. Yet shockingly, these same folks who work so hard, you may be one of them, totally fail to secure their family's financial future in case that they can't bring home the money. The hard question is your family secure if you don't bring home the bacon anymore? It's an ugly subject to talk about. No one wants to talk about life insurance. No one wants to think about what would happen if they don't come home from work one day. I don't either. But I've also seen the tragedy of families' lives turned upside down, losing their homes, cars, and security on top of losing a spouse and a dad or a mom, all because they didn't want to think about it or didn't think they could afford it. If you have any questions about your current life insurance or lack of it, please give us a call today. We can look at your current policy or get you a quote with a multi-policy discount that can save you money on your other coverages too. I hate to focus on a doom and gloom subject like this, but there is good news. Once you know it's set up right, you can sleep well at night knowing that you've done your duty to make sure your family is taken care of. One of our agents received a call from a grieving widow asking for her husband had set up the small $50,000 AAA life insurance policy he had talked about. It wasn't much, but they needed everything they could get, like many people these days. Unfortunately, adding insult to injury, her husband was always busy and never started the policy. The really sad thing is, with the 5% discounts off auto and home I know AAA offers, I bet it would have been close to no cost, maybe even less than 0 when all the discount savings are considered. Give us a call today, 763-244-3735. We can make sure you don't have too little or too much coverage, get you a quote, or just answer any questions you have. No pressure, no obligation. P.S. We represent many insurance companies. Some even offer a discount for auto and home insurance for having a life policy. Sometimes the discounts are greater than the cost of the life policy.